Welcome back, kids. So in this video we are going to learn how to fill colors in our Krishna. In the previous video we had seen how to sketch Krishna. Now in this video we will see how we can make our Krishna look beautiful with colors. So for that I am having something, you know what? See, I am having a superhero and this superhero's name is Prakriti Bandhu. And you can see him in YouTube channel in lots of videos where he was solving lots of problems. So for now I am keeping my Prakriti Bandhu aside because he is there to be with me in my colorful journey. So here I will start adding colors in Krishna. First I am going to pick a black color pencil to give a hair effect in the Krishna's hair. So like this, going very slowly, and this way. I will hold this part with black color. So this way the hairs are done. And now after this I'm going to pick green color and fill in the more punk. See kids, I am coloring with my own imagination. Now you can color with your imagination. So try giving beautiful colors and different shades. Just show your creativity while making your own Krishna. So this way, and then in the center I am going to add little of red. Last but not least, a little orange in the center. So this way it's done. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this tika with red color and also these sleeves part, this one, and down over here. Okay. Once this is done, now I'm going to color the dhoti with yellow. So this way you need to color your dhoti with the yellow. Once it's done, then with the help of orange, like this, and similarly orange here. So it's done till here. Now the next color is green. I will pick a green and cover this portion with green. This way. Same from this side. So it's done. Now it's time. With the help of black, I'm going to fill in the eyebrows very slowly. Make it little darker like this, and then red in the mouth this way. and also a little red here. After this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make the necklace with purple, both the necklaces this way, and give a little touch of orange so that the necklace highlights a little. So like this, very little. Once the Krishna body is done, now we will fill colors in the pots. So for that, what I'm doing, I'm filling with the green shade, darker shade of green in this design, and similarly here. And once I'm done with this, then I will use a light green shade of it. So when green color is done, then I'm going to make the flowers with pink. So remember kids, you can choose any color of your choice and fill with your own imagination. As I am picking up pink, you can even pick orange, red, yellow, any. So this way, very slowly you have to fill all the petals with the pink. And then with the help of red, I am going to highlight it. See, like this. So here, done. Similarly in this pot, I'm going to put little red here and then on the top of the petals. So this way our pots are ready. Now the last step is that I am going to wish you all Happy Janmashtami. Happy Janmashtami from KidsNagri. So kids, if you like this Krishna drawing, try to make by your own and color it and share with us. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you in the next video. Till then, try to make your own Krishna a beautiful one.